Hand grip strengthener, hand exerciser 6 PCS forearm trainer with adjustable resistance hand gripper, wrist strengthener, grip ring exerciser and finger stretcher for men and women, injury recovery. The hand grip strengthener set included 1 adjustable grip trainer, 1 wrist exerciser, 2 finger stretchers, 6.6 pounds and 8.8 pounds, 2 hand strengthener grip ring, 40 pounds and 50 pounds, perfect for men, women, teenagers, kids and elderly. Various resistance levels. The ranging of adjustable grip trainer from 22 to 132 pounds. Tension for light or heavy workouts. Which can help strengthen and exercise your hand, fingers, wrist, elbows, and forearms. Suitable for all kinds of people. Phone hand grip strengthener is perfect for improving strength, wrist stability or overall forearm power. Perfect for tennis players, guitar players, athlete and musicians to enhance the flexibility of fingers and wrists. FitBeast hand grip strengthener adjustable resistance 40 to 100 pounds hand gripper, hand strengthener, metal grip strength trainer, hand grip finger strengthener, wrist and forearm hand exerciser, 1 pack. Providing 4 adjustable resistance levels, 40-60-80-100 lbs. FitBeast grip strengthener can match your various grip training and solve your problem of hand, fingers and forearm. Compared with most of grip trainer on the market, FitBeast hand grips are noiseless and do not squeak. Adopting a knob to adjust the strength. GRM hand grip strengthener with counter, forearm trainer workout kit, 5-pack, adjustable resistance grip strength trainer, finger exerciser/stretcher, grip ring, grip ball for recovery and athletes. GRM forearm exerciser adds a mechanical counter to the bottom. Press the button firmly to count automatically. Record the number of times you exercise each time and reuse it. Adjustable resistance hand gripper. Forearm strengthener resistance can be easily adjusted from 11 pounds to 100